All right. We are live. Coding and caffeine. Hi everyone, welcome back to Coding Caffeine channel, and this live we are going to see how we can add the Prisma database to a Next.js project. Of course, you need to know what Next.js is. I think you guys know what Next.js is, and you surely guys know how to add Next.js or create a Next.js project. Just gonna wait that somebody is live. So Next.js and Prisma. You guys know how to create Next.js projects, create Next app. Slack npx for what kind of version I have of npx? I don't think it's like npm or something like this number. Yeah, doesn't matter. Just gonna wait a little bit for somebody to add to join our live. Okay, so let's start anyway. So I wanna put myself on the desktop. Okay, so what I have here. So I want to call it same way the project. So this is next auth example, next node auth. All right, so let's call it, so npx create next app. What is your project named? Let's call it live next Prisma. It's kind of a tough name. It's installing. It's pretty fast with the native M1 version. You can find it in Formula, I think. Brew. I don't think we have it in Prisma. Like or Next maybe. It's not native anyway, but it's using the node, the npm for creating this. Okay, so we have the live next Prisma project. We clear the terminal. Is somebody live? Can you guys say hello to me? Okay, maybe someone is gonna join us. I'll not zoom on my browser, man. Just want a VS Code to beat Zoom. Okay. Do you guys hear me well? Nobody's in live, but yeah. Okay, so npm run dev, check everything is okay. On localhost 3000. Hey, Freedom22, hi. It's a pleasure to be with you in the same live. Since you're the first user, how do you hear me? Is the resolution good and the audio good? Because nobody told me this feedback before, so good. I think that seems that yes was your response to my answer. This is very good. Okay, we are on localhost 3000. Everything is okay, so this is great. I want to stop this and clear my console. All right, so if we go, I would say everything is great. Thank you very much for your feedback. Getting started. So a Prisma, there is an option to add to an existing project, and we want to see this. So npm install Prisma save dev to save in our project dependencies actually. So let's grab this command and do this. In our package.json is installing Prisma. This is great. Okay. Is anybody else in live? No. You're the only one, Freedom. It's a great pleasure to be with you in the same live. Okay, so the dependencies, we will use this page actually for testing just the endpoint. I also want to grab this command npx prisma init, and let's check what it's going to do with this. So, okay, your Prisma schema was created at Prisma, and the database URL in our environment variable. So we have the env and the Prisma. This will be our schema. So we have this database URL. I want to comment this out and maybe create a new one, database URL, and locally will be, I think it's one on our right is one, right? File, yeah, colon point dot slash, yeah, sqlite.db. Want to save locally our db just for development, and we won't worry about this. Also in the schema will be SQLite. Am I right? Okay. SQLite, yeah, I'll save this. And I think on the documentation, there is a model that we can copy and paste. I mean, yeah, let's grab this one. We have a post, profile, and user. Let's grab it and copy in here, and as you save it, it automatically is format. So I highly suggest you to install the Prisma and Prisma Insiders plugin or VS Code. It's quite useful because when you on modelization, if you have a list of posts, for example, it makes the relationship for you if there is some field missing. Or imagine that you remove these lines. So you have posts for our user. You save it and automatically adds for you. This is a kind of magic that you will need for your modelization. Okay, so next step is to go on concepts and Prisma migrate actually, because we have the model. And I think on the old documentation we had something like npx prisma migrate up, but this command has been updated. So now for migrating our schema, we should grab this command and let's see what it's gonna do. So prisma migrate dev dash dash preview dash feature. Okay, so it's gonna read the environment variables. So from the env, it's gonna create SQLite.db locally here, as you can see. Name of migration, first migration. I don't know how to. And we have generated the migration SQL in the package migrations here. Create the post profile user tables. You can open this file actually, open in a Realm Finder. I think I have SQL table, yeah. SQLite table plus. So here we go. We have user, profile, and post. If you don't have this one installed, guys, you can also grab Prisma Studio. You can download this and still with us, Freedom. This is great, right? So you can select schema here and open it. But there is also another way. If you want to install this, you go on the documentation and Prisma Studio. I think, yeah, this is npx Prisma Studio. Let's see what it's doing for us. Here we go. I don't want this open in this browser, man. So fantastic. So on localhost 5555, we have our table, post, profile, user profile. Okay, whatever. We want to go in post Prisma client and add Prisma to an existing project. So right, so we should do this actually. npx Prisma init. Okay. Let's grab this. Stop our server. Okay, so what I have here, package like JSON. Oh, actually, I already did that, so sorry, guys. Which Node.js version you use? I'm using the latest version. Is actually I think is the yeah, the ARM64 and 15.8.0 is kind of is no longer the x85 86 versions for Intel, but if you go in the homebrew package and you can find the latest version, 15.8.0, yeah, that's what I have. Seems to be the latest versions on the website as well. What a month. So it's the native for M1. This is great. It's pretty fast compiling. Okay, so back to VS Code. I don't exactly remember where I did Prisma init. Yeah, because there was the first command that I Yeah, Prisma init. So great. And if I open maybe duplicate tab, yeah, I can have the Prisma Studio open in another tab. It's kind of cool. On is not npm, man. CNPX maybe. And again on this browser, it's not what I wanted. Post. Oh, we're gonna make a CRUD on the post bleeding edge. Okay, man. Okay. Best comment on live. What we are gonna do? Okay, so we have our schema. I'll try to make a request. I also want to open Postman. He did the update, this guy. No, it didn't restart. Okay, kind of interesting to open this locally, but because I have the... It's pretty heavy, this man. Just waiting for the optimization. I don't think this is optimized. No, it's still for Intel. All right. Yeah, successfully updated, but man, I need the native one. Getting my new MacBook Air tomorrow. Sarta Kandalwa, I think you already told me that in another live, but I'm happy for you, man. The MacBook Air is kind of a great machine, man. I bought it for my wife. She does like, you know, Word or something like Zoom calling friends. But I also preparing a quick environment for web development, and I have to tell you, man, this is great. The battery life lasts for 3-4 days, you know, just typing small stuff like document, Office, Zoom. 2 days or one entire day at least. This is incredible. And yeah, for development, it's great. No fans, it's great. Battery life. Wow. We're expecting some big stuff from Apple. Yeah, 3-4 days insane. Yeah. I mean, if you only do light stuff, but you know, if you're on a table and just typing stuff, you know, any laptop can last only on batteries without power, without plugging on power for an entire day or maybe 2. This machine lasts for 3 days. It's incredible. All right, so I'm glad that you joined the live, guys. Thank you for staying with me. We should make a request now for filling this user table. We should go on concept and Prisma client. Once you install Prisma client, so actually you don't need to grab the command npm install at Prisma client because we already installed it when we with the old command. I think it was the actually on migrate dev preview feature. You already installing the Prisma client. If you don't have this, you can install manually. And the Prisma client is useful for importing in the page where we're going to make the request. So Pages API hello is basically where you can make your request. So it will be /API hello.js. Next.js is awesome for this. We already have an endpoint here. We don't have to configure some Node.js backend. We already have the backend here in API in Pages. So let's see, some kind of magic. Pretty fast. I don't have any backend here. I want to zoom a little bit on my Postman. This version is pretty heavy. I'm stuck in a zoom now. What the heck? All right, so I hope you guys see nice the resolution of a Postman here. So here we go. So this is my endpoint /API/hello. So we will work here. What we have to do now, we should import Prisma client in this page here, like this. And if you only want to understand how the import works, pretty easy, do like this, and that way you're sure that is importing from Prisma client. It's pretty easy. And now we want to create an async function by default. You don't have here the request response. We want to do a try catch block actually. But the response 200 is not for this. Coffee is missing. For a channel like Cutting Caffeine with no coffee, this is not good, I think. Okay, sync and yeah, okay. I want to create a new user. Store in a variable Prisma await, because should put await when you go in a sync function. So let's use the Prisma and see we have here user property and create. Create a new object and data. Name Spider-Man. It's kind of cool name, right? And email. Marvel.com. We should so respect the field that we have here. Okay, so but email name, yeah. The others are not mandatory. So what we're gonna do now? We can also then as a callback, we can find every the user that we have. So find the first unique many, but not interested in this, so maybe then. But you want to send a kind of a response, so it'll be a response for just maybe confirm a message like success. Just want to show the user that we created. In case of error, this will be 500. What kind of brew of coffee you drink, sir? This is a Swiss coffee, Trotte. Trotte. I like it. I like it. Kind of brewed coffee. Really funny, man. Oh yeah. Error. Error. So here I didn't create a like post or get method, just will be on a get, I think. Am I running on localhost 555? Of course. Of course, to see if it's refreshing at the same time. So I want to make a get request on it, and great success in the data. And we have the recording here. Isn't that a fantastic full stack application in 2-3 lines command? So this is great. No backend. We already have a package created for us with endpoints. So this is great. I love it. I love Next.js. So actually the live has come to an end because it was the goal of our life. But let's just discover the CRUD part. So read, this is a kind of a basic stuff then, but find unique, where you can construct your query. Are you guys still with me? Yes. Let's go. You can also have PostgreSQL. So basically you can build a full stack application. Here you build you scaffold your backend here with every kind of endpoint here. You have your schema here. You can make GraphQL query. You have all of your models here. This reminds me kind of Spring stuff, right? All right, guys. So if you have any questions about anything else, I'm here to answer you. Okay, so you have don't forget to have the Table Plus also. Not sure it's free, but kind of have the trial 15 days. You have the user here. All right. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and just want to wait more, I think 5 more minutes, just to be sure that anybody else is going with us. So we have the Prisma Studio. Actually, I don't think the Prisma Studio is optimized for M1. Select schema. Live next Prisma. This is our schema. User. these tools are great. I think that with this kind of command you can also update. Okay, let's suppose we only want to have the user and get rid of this. Save it. So basically we should get only the user table. So Prisma migrate dev dash dash preview dash feature. Name of our migration. Get rid of other tables. I think is now in sync. So the migrations you have first and get rid of the. Okay. Localhost. All right, so as you can see, it's been updated. Only have the user, model, and table. So, okay, guys, I don't want to show all the CRUD stuff. You know well this. So, thank you for being with me in this quick video. Hope you enjoyed it, and wish you all the best and very, very pleasant evening. Stay tuned for more lives like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.